Good Tuesday evening, and thank you for checking out this quick weather update. We've had a great stretch of weather the past several days, but changes are on the way tonight with some scattered storms working through as we get closer to midnight and into the pre-dawn hours tomorrow. We have a chance to see some scattered storms. We may get a break and then another round of a few scattered storms tomorrow morning, and then we may catch another break before perhaps a few strong and severe storms will be possible here as we go into later tomorrow afternoon. We could see an isolated severe storm late tonight, but the better chance I think of severe weather may actually be setting up for tomorrow afternoon and evening. And as we go into late week, our best rain chance Thursday and Friday will actually stay just south, so we may be spared here, but mainly dry weather here, at least here in Indianapolis. But then better rain chances come back this weekend. So here's a look at that 7-day forecast. We'll keep a 70% chance of storms tomorrow. Again, not going to storm the whole day. A couple rounds early in the day, and then a break, and then perhaps a more substantial round as we go into the evening. Now, not everybody will get rain tomorrow. Just like what we saw for the past couple of systems, they will be scattered, but they will be around. So we want to stay weather aware for tomorrow. There is a slight risk for severe weather across the area tomorrow, across much of the state. And we look at the forecast radar guidance, again, going to show a couple rounds of storms, a break, and then more storms possible for the evening. So kind of a tricky storm evolution tomorrow. We'll certainly keep an eye on that. And then Thursday and Friday, I kept those chances a little bit lower, especially on Friday. We may have to even trim those a little bit more as we get closer, but temperatures stay near 80 as we go into the weekend. We're going to really bring up those rain chances here. We have a system that's going to be working its way in, merging with a tropical disturbance over the Gulf, and that's going to lead to a bit of an unsettled pattern here this weekend. The system that moves in will be a very slow mover, so it's going to bring unsettled weather here Saturday, Sunday, and then it looks like early next week the system may finally pull out of here. We're also going to see a blast of some much cooler temperatures too by the time we get to early to mid next week. Thanks for checking out this forecast. Hope you have a great rest of your day.